We'll guide you through how to fix CapCut export problems or errors. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've been working on a project and you're finding that when you go and export it, you're facing some type of issue. We'll guide you through some different fixes you can try. So first of all, you can just try closing the project like this. And then what you want to do is you want to go and press the apps button or switcher in the bottom right. And you can go and close it like so. You can then go and reopen it, open the project and try exporting, and hopefully now it'll go and work. If it still won't, you want to go and tap on hold on CapCut like so, press the I in the top right. You then want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find storage, and you want to try clearing the cache in the bottom right like so. If that still didn't work, let's try doing a device restart. So you can tap on hold the side power button, then you'll see this screen here and you can press restart again, and the device will restart. When it's back, open up CapCut and your project and try exporting it. Hopefully now it will go and work. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more fixes. Goodbye for now.